Hello guys, so this is another video and I came up with this video to unbox the Beardo combo perfume pack. So this is 4 combo perfume pack. As you can see, the name of the 4 perfumes are Mariner, Godfather, Mask Bomb and Queen Energy. This is Mariner, this is Beardo, and these are two from not from the same brand. This is the different brand. Name of the brand is Fred. So Beardo into Fred, two Beardo and two Fred. So let's unbox. And here, as you can see, this is manufactured on 4th April 2024. So this is the packaging is awesome packaging, because of this is collaborated with Beardo packaging is always good and
is known for its good packaging.
I don't know how to open. Yeah, wow, this is magnetic strip. Wow, nice. The cost of packaging must be more than 200.
তাহলে কি এখানে জল ভরে দিয়েছে এর মধ্যে?
So this is the 4. Wow, I like this packaging, magnetic strip. Magnetic strips are. So this
After
is
you can also use it as your tiffin box.
so this is the Beardo Mariner. As you all know, I have used it previously. This is Mariner. This is for summer perfume, awesome perfume, but this is summer perfume. This is a long lasting perfume, summer perfume Mariner. Unisex perfume. This is unisex perfume, not the male one. This is unisex, male and female both can use it. And this is Beardo Godfather, which is musky type of perfume, not so musky, but this is awesome winter perfume. This is not
কিন্তু ভালো করে ভিডিও ধরছে না কিন্তু।
this is not summer perfume at all. This is specially winter perfume, because it lasts longer in winter season. So I am using right now, this is this Godfather Beardo, which is good for male and female also, but this is winter perfume. I have used it previously, these two from Beardo, but I haven't used which is these two from Fred brand or Freed brand. I haven't used these two. I'll try this today. Okay, let's say the number 1 Mask Bomb. Let's try it. Awesome smoothie type of bottle, smoothie type of bottle. This is very cute bottle. Oh, the problematic. This is very much problematic.
Problematic siphon.
Now this is
This is spelling here.
good.
Hey, মনে তো আতো। Hey,
না না ভালো তো।
Mask Bomb. This is Mask Bomb. That means this is musky khushbu. Night khushbu. Mask usually people used at night party. So this is musky khushbu. That means you can use it at night party. For marriage ceremony you can use it at night time, because the name of the perfume is Mask Bomb, which is quite good.
মাস্ক পরে বোম মারবে।
Good, different and good. So the Mask Bomb, musky casherman and oak moss. Wow, this is male type of smell.
বড়া মেল টাইপ বড়া।
So this is male type of only for night party. You cannot use it regularly, because this is not the regular perfume. This is occasional perfume and the party perfume and night party. So So that's why this is musk, and here it is the queen. The queen means, as you know, queen means this is not the male perfume, this is female perfume. Let's try it how it's the female perfume. As we can expect, this is light perfume. It should be light perfume because the name of this, the female type of name. So let's try it. Yes, awesome perfume. Believe me, this is awesome perfume.
এটা ভালো
This is female perfume,
আর কিন্তু মেয়েদের এগুলো ভালো লাগে
light perfume.
এটা
Female always light perfume.
তাই না
মেল পারফিউম হচ্ছে ডিপ পারফিউম হয়, ফিমেলে লাইট পারফিউম হয়। দিস ইজ ভেরি গুড পারফিউম বিকজ দিস ইজ লাইট।
But why did you order the Atos? Instead of
দিস ইজ ফিমেল পারফিউম, দিস ইজ লাইট পারফিউম, সেই জন্য হচ্ছে নাম দিয়েছে কুইন এনার্জি।
এটা ভালো
আবার কিছু করে নিই। দিস ইজ ফিমেল ফ্রিড। দিস ইজ নন সো মাচ গুড, মানে পপুলার তো ব্র্যান্ড নয় ফ্রিড, ঠিক আছে, ফ্রিড তো পপুলার ব্র্যান্ড নয়, তবুও এই দুটো বানিয়েছে। অ্যাকচুয়ালি দুটোর পারপাস আছে, এই দুটো তো অফকোর্স আমরা ইউজ করেছি, এর অসম পারফিউম, বাট এই দুটো ডিফারেন্ট ব্র্যান্ড, কিন্তু এই দুটো ডিফারেন্ট ব্র্যান্ড, হ্যাঁ অফকোর্স ডিফারেন্ট সেন্ট। এই দুটো অনেক ব্র্যান্ডের সাথে, পপুলার ব্র্যান্ডের সাথে সিমিলারিটিস আছে, বাট এই দুটো টোটালি ডিফারেন্ট। I haven't used it and I haven't known this. So this is totally new perfume to me, and this is the copy of few very much popular, very much known perfume and very much costly perfumes copy. As you can see, Marina is the copy of a lot. I forgot the name of that popular perfume which is very much costly, around 30,000 around. So I have used it and I have also using it. I am using it Godfather. It's good perfume, but this is specially night party. You cannot use it regularly. So okay, and this is female perfume. Awesome. Thank you very much.